name is Laura Mwirigi. I am a civil engineer specializing in water resources. My work involves the planning and design of water infrastructure projects. This can be divided into three main types. Drinking water. Drinking water projects aim at sourcing water from rivers, lakes, or streams, treating this water, then distributing it for domestic, commercial, industrial use. Secondly, wastewater. Wastewater includes the collection of sanitary or used water, sometimes termed grey or black water. Treating this water, then safely discharging it back into the environment. Most of the time, the same rivers and streams from which we draw our drinking water. Thirdly, stormwater. These projects are designed to mitigate the impact of flooding, as well as to protect the quality of the water in the environment. On any given day, I may be working on a hydraulic model to simulate the flow of water. This may be for a city's drinking water distribution system, through a river following a storm event, or even through a pipe sewer network to address the system's condition or capacity needed to plan for future development. The design of many water projects, including pump stations and treatment facilities, is a team effort that requires continuous coordination. I therefore meet often with project teams developing or advancing design alternatives, and with public officials and community members to discuss and present design solutions. Completing projects from concept through construction involves working with varying data sets, collaborating with other professional disciplines, and with different stakeholders. As an engineer, I identify and prioritize infrastructure needs, collect relevant information, and then recommend, scale, and design appropriate solutions to address them. I rely on my analytical and communication skills to achieve the problem solving required for my job. I am intrigued by how cities came to be, including other political jurisdictions. The migration of people and their choice to settle in a particular area and the ensuing development that followed. I find it fascinating that the growth of many cities is centered around the ability to harness a natural resource, specifically water, which is my interest in engineering. The water is used for agriculture, the production of goods, commerce, and transportation. Even today, there is a correlation between the success of a thriving community and its continued access to sustainable resources. The use, reuse, and protection of water as a natural resource requires continuous innovation and intentional investment to move the community forward. This is engineering's role. It is a dynamic field that is exciting to be a part of and helps shape how we live. I enjoy building simulations. Figuring out which attributes of a system to change in order to achieve the desired outcome is very fulfilling to me. This is especially so when you're working within the constraints of time, budget, and even space. The planning phase of many water projects includes systems modeling, the results of which advise communities on how to lay out, size, and even budget for projects. Modeling not only simulates the physical components of pipes and storage tanks, but pump stations and treatment plants, but can also be used to perform predictive analysis or build predictive models. These address real-world problems for our communities. They solve for aging infrastructure, water main breaks, and even emergency response to fires and floods. Engineering is a very dynamic field that continues to innovate as we adapt to a changing world.